Need to send money abroad? I'll show you how to set up your Taptap Send account, so you can transfer money globally in minutes. First, grab your smartphone whether you're on Android or iOS. The process is nearly identical. Find the Taptap Send app if you haven't downloaded it yet. Search for Taptap Send in your app store and download it. Once the app is installed, open it. You'll see the introductory screen. Look for the option labeled Sign Up or Create Account and tap it. Now, you'll be prompted to enter your information. This will include your full name, email address, and most importantly, your phone number. Make sure the phone number is correct, as you will need it for verification. Taptap Send will then send you a verification code via SMS. Check your messages for this code and enter it into the app in the designated field. After verifying your phone number, you'll likely be asked to select the country you're sending from and the currency you wish to use. These settings are crucial as they determine the available transfer options. And that's pretty much it. You've created your account. The app might then guide you through setting up your payment method. This is where you'll typically add your bank card details or other payment options. Now you are ready to start sending money safely, quickly and reliably.